Welcome to the best picks. The best slick barrier is probably one of the most effective and innovative solutions available today for keeping those pesky insects and critters out of your home, offering a unique approach to pest control that doesn't rely on harsh chemicals or complicated traps, making it a fantastic option for families and pet owners looking for a safer, more natural way to protect their living spaces from unwanted guests. Number 5. Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer with Comfort Wand. Introducing a powerful solution for your home. This spray effectively tackles common household pests, both inside and out. Use it in kitchens, bathrooms, or around entry points indoors. For outdoor use, apply it to your home's perimeter, patios, and garages. Enjoy up to 12 months of protection against ants, roaches, and spiders with a single application on non-porous indoor surfaces. The included battery-powered Comfort Wand makes application a breeze, providing a continuous spray for effortless coverage. It's designed to eliminate the toughest home-invading insects, including ants, cockroaches, spiders, and many more. Whether as a preventative measure or after you spot pests, you can apply this spray indoors or outdoors whenever needed. What we like? This product offers up to 12 months of protection against common household pests. Its battery-powered wand ensures easy and continuous application. If you're looking for a long-term solution to keep ants, roaches, and spiders out of your home, this is a great choice. What people say. The Slick Barrier is a fantastic product that effectively keeps pests away. I was impressed with how easy it was to install and how well it worked. This product is a game changer for keeping my home pest-free. Number 4. Natural Armor Peppermint Repellent Gallon Refill. Tired of unwanted guests in your home or garden? Discover a natural solution to keep mice, rats, and rodents at bay. Our potent peppermint formula is designed to effectively deter rodents. It's a safe and natural way to protect your space. Whether you need to shield your indoor living areas or your outdoor spaces, this repellent offers versatile protection. This generous 128 fluid ounces gallon refill ensures you have plenty of repellent on hand. Keep your home protected for longer. Enjoy peace of mind with our effective rodent shield. It's the natural choice for a pest-free environment. What we like? This repellent uses a natural peppermint scent to deter rodents. It's safe for indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile. If you prefer a natural approach to keeping mice and rats away from your home and garden, this is the product for you. What people say. The Slick Barrier is a great product that works well to keep pests out. It is easy to install and use, and it is very effective at preventing pests from entering your home. The Slick Barrier is a durable product that is made from high-quality materials. Number 3. Feitore Deer Fence Netting 7 by 100 feet. Introducing the Feitore Deer Fence Netting, your ultimate solution for protecting your garden. This durable netting keeps unwanted visitors away from your precious plants. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene, it's lightweight yet heavy-duty. Unlike other materials, it won't tear easily, rust, or rot, offering long-lasting, reusable protection season after season. The 3-4-inch square mesh provides maximum protection without harming birds or small animals. It ensures your plants and fruits can grow undisturbed. Setting it up is a breeze. You can easily attach it to stakes or posts, or cut it to the perfect size for your needs. It's designed for hassle-free application around your garden or individual plants. Don't let pests ruin your hard work. This netting is ideal for protecting everything from tomatoes and strawberries to fruit trees, ensuring you get to enjoy your harvest first. It's not just for deer, it also works as bird netting, chicken netting, or rabbit fence. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for any gardener. What we like? This netting is made from strong, reusable polypropylene that won't rust or rot. Its mesh size protects plants without harming animals. If you want to safeguard your fruit trees and vegetable gardens from deer and birds with a long-lasting solution, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great product that works well to keep pests out. The Slick Barrier is easy to install and use, and it effectively prevents insects from entering your home. I have been using the Slick Barrier for a few months now, and I am very impressed with its performance. It has significantly reduced the number of pests in my home, and I have not had any issues with it. Number 2. 4-pack garden mesh netting bags. Introducing our garden mesh netting bags, designed to keep your plants safe and healthy. This pack provides ample protection for various plant sizes. Crafted from high-quality, soft nylon with an ultra-dense mesh, these covers ensure excellent ventilation and maintain optimal moisture for plant growth. Each bag features a practical drawstring that can be easily secured around branches or pots. This prevents them from being blown away by wind and keeps unwanted visitors out. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor gardens, these nets are perfect for protecting fruits, vegetables, and trees from insects, birds, and other small animals. We are committed to providing a great customer experience. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we'll be happy to assist you. Available in 2 convenient sizes, 2.6 by 3.3 feet and 3.3 by 4.9 feet, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific plant protection needs. Measure before you buy. What we like. This pack comes with 4 netting bags in 2 different sizes, featuring a practical drawstring closure. The breathable nylon material helps maintain plant moisture. If you need to protect individual plants or smaller bushes from insects and birds, these bags offer a convenient and effective solution. What people say. Slick Barrier is a great product that works well to keep pests out. The design of Slick Barrier is very effective in preventing insects from entering the home. Slick Barrier is easy to install and provides a reliable barrier against pests. Number 1. Pop-up Gardening Net Cover Pack of 2. Introducing our pop-up gardening net cover, designed for ultimate protection. This pack of 2 offers a quick and easy solution to safeguard your plants and small animals. Crafted with durable mesh and waterproof fabric, it effectively prevents birds and small animals from reaching your vegetables and fruits. The dense netting ensures maximum safety. Despite its large size, each net is lightweight and folds down easily into a compact carry bag. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, offering convenience wherever you go. Open it in just 3 seconds. The pop-up design makes setup a breeze, and the closed top provides protection from aerial predators, ensuring your plants and pets stay safe. Use it in your garden to protect plants from insects and birds, or as a secure outdoor run for chickens, rabbits, and other small animals. It provides a safe space for them to roam and forage. With mesh walls offering a 360-degree view and easy zipper openings, you can conveniently access your pets for feeding or cleaning. They can also enjoy the grass while staying secure. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and friendly customer service. If you're not completely satisfied, our after-sales service is here to help. What we like. This pop-up net cover offers quick and easy setup, protecting plants from birds and insects with its durable mesh. It's also suitable as a small animal enclosure. If you need a fast, portable, and multifunctional solution for garden protection or a safe outdoor space for small pets, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is easy to install and use. It effectively repels pests without the need for harmful chemicals. The barrier is durable and long-lasting, providing continuous protection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.